You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals negative 26 over 147. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Simplify the fraction. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 9 over 7 from both sides. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by negative 21. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals negative 26 over 147.